Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to talk about something which has been with everybody's experience, that if you've been off chart, if you've been off your track for a couple of months, days, or years, how do you restart your fitness journey? Maybe after a vacation or after a break. So I'll let you know what exactly has to be done below. If you feel you're lost or you're ruined everything or you have lost all your gains, don't worry, you haven't lost anything. I'm going to help you to understand how to restart your fitness journey and get it all back. Stick around till the end because I'm going to share you a 7-day plan to restart your fitness journey and you can follow it starting today. And before we jump in, if you have not liked the channel or subscribed, please do it and let's start it right away. Step 1. Reset your mindset. First things first, drop the guilt. Late nights, bad food, no workouts. It's okay. Fitness is not about perfection. It is about consistency and you will kill it. Tell yourself, I took a break, I enjoyed, and it's all done now. I need to restart myself. So start fresh and get it killing. Progress isn't lost. Your body remembers everything. The only thing that matters is you need to start moving. Step 2. Re-establish your routine before intensity. Most people jump back to the same weight that they used to lift or do a heavier cardio session or go on a crazy caloric deficit diet to compensate from whatever they have done before. But that doesn't work like that. This is only going to help you to get closer to your injuries and burnouts. So instead, what you do is get back to your old routine, judge the weight you used to lift, and go steady. Consistency is the key. Step 3. Start light. Rebuild momentum. Your body needs a light re-entry for the first 7 to 5 days. Start 60 to 70% of the weight that you used to lift at the last. Shorter workouts, focus on basic movements. Step 4. Fix your sleep, water, and nutrition. Vacation rhythm usually messes with sleep cycles and diet. So make sure you get 6 to 8 hours of sleep, have enough water to rehydrate and get the bloating off, and stick to normal diets. Do not crash diet, which will shock your body. Be patient with the scale. You might weigh more because of salt, carbs, and that stress from the travel. However, give your body 5 to 7 days to restart itself by sticking back to the old routine and being easy on yourself. Step 6. Reconnect with yourself. Why you started all this. Take 2 minutes and ask yourself, why did you start this fitness journey? Confidence, feeling good, good looks, or overall health? That answer is going to bring you back your motivation, which you have lost. Here's my 7-day comeback plan for you. Go through it, follow it, and if you get the results that you are looking out for, please make sure you send it to somebody who wants it desperately.